Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen general introduction to business development. Now we are going to be looking at introduction to business development. And the first we will see our first module will be the lecture 1 of the introduction to business. And we have learning outcomes. At the completion of this course, students are expected to define the concept and various kinds of business, understand ethics and business characters, understand the elements of accounting, marketing, insurance, and their roles in business organization. Apply the concept of effective communication in business, understand business and business environment, understand social responsibility of business, write simple social responsibility of business. The focus of this lesson will be on brief introduction and overview of business. We'll look at characteristics of business organization, other classification of a business organization, the important role of business in society, and lastly, factors that motivate business. Business, a continuous activity, is part of our daily lives and as capitalized in nature. Profit business is the melting pot for other factors of production, and business organization indulges productive activities. The overall idea of every business enterprise is for satisfaction of human needs. Man is business and business is man. This means that business revolves around economic activities where goods and services are exchanged for one another for or for money. Similarly, every business requires some form of investment and enough customers to whom its output can be sold on a consistent basis in order to make profit. Businesses can be of various types with a common objective of earning profit and acquiring wealth through satisfaction of human wants. The scope. Commerce and industry constitute the basics of business scope. Commerce is an organized system for the exchange of goods between the members of the industrial world. Industry refers to production of goods by manufacturing or processing. It converts raw materials into finished goods and thus creates form utility. Industry could be genetic, extractive, constructive, and manufacturing. Business administration, in simple terms, is everything that encompasses a business, while the concept of business administration is the process of managing every different angle of a business so it can run, expand, grow, and succeed. Today, you will find wealth and job creation in business, medicine, government, law enforcement, agriculture, academics, and entertainment, and many other fields. This course introduces you to the fundamental concepts of business, nature, scope, elements, environment, corporate social responsibility, and business communication for beginners in the area of business development. Overview of business. Business is a set of interrelated activities carried out with a view to make profit. The basic economic unit in which this set of activities is performed is the business enterprise. Therefore, we define business enterprise once again as the organizational context within which men, idea, money, material, and machines are combined for the purpose of providing needed goods or services in order to make a profit. Basically, studying is the business of student. Politics is the business of politician. Playing football is the business of a professional footballer, and in the same vein, trading will be the business of a shop owner. However, for any commercial activity to be qualified as business, it must be legal with societal interests paramount to the survival of such business. The knowledge of business has immense potential for creating socio-economic, cultural, political values and political values. Business organizations can be classified into two categories. We have for-profit organizations. These are strictly to make profits, such as public and private enterprises or companies owned by individuals or group of persons, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, business, cooperative societies, etc. They depend on profit for survival. Non-profit organizations. These organizations established without profit motives, although every organization is motivated by the desire to make profit. As in this case, they are charitable organizations, voluntary organizations, and social groups such as churches, orphanage homes, boys' Scouts, Girls' Guide, and labor unions, etc. They are expected to generate adequate revenue to finance their operations, such as payment of church ministers, workers, employees of orphanage homes, and so on. Characteristics of business organization. We have people-oriented, guiding rules, satisfaction of human needs, profit objective, registration with government, legal entity, going concern, perpetuity, harnessing the various factors of production, division of labor, structure, hierarchy of authority, internal, external environment. Other classification of business organization we have by international standard industry classification: agriculture, hunting and forestry, fishing, mining and quarrying, manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply, construction. By stage in the production cycle, we have extraction, processing, assembling, trading, personal care. Then the third, we have service organizations, manufacturing organizations. Important role of business in the society. Business help the society to gain employment and income generation. Positive and beneficial projects to communities through corporate social responsibilities, value creation and improve standard of living, contribute to national income. Factors that motivate business. We have ambition, independence, investment, control, fixed control and ownership, inheritance. Thank you very much for watching and following us on. Keep following as we get properly into this business course.